In this video, I am going to show you how to send money from PayPal to Wise. You want to send money from PayPal to Wise because Wise uses low, transparent fees and the mid-market exchange rate, which can cut your costs when transacting in a foreign currency. More than later. To withdraw money from PayPal to Wise, you'll have to first link your Wise account to PayPal. If you don't have a Wise account just yet, go and sign up for them. You can find the link to sign up to the Wise account in the description. First, here's how to link your Wise account to PayPal online. Log into PayPal online or in app. Go to Wallet. Click Link a card or bank. Then link a bank account. In the app, you just need to tap Banks. Search for your bank or select it from the list. You can link your bank instantly by entering your bank login details. If you can't find Wise listed, you can still enter your bank account details manually and click Agree and Link. In this case, you'll need to complete a verification step. 2 small deposits will be sent to your account by PayPal, and you'll need to enter the details of the amounts sent to you PayPal account to verify it, just for security. There's a PayPal transfer limit for instant transfers of 25,000 USD. Once you have money in your Wise account, there are Wise limits which vary by currency. If you are sending from USD, you may be able to send payments valued up to 1 million USD, depending on the destination and the transfer details. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.